Welcome to our video demonstration of how our e-learning works. We'll walk you through our easy sign-up process from purchasing your access to working through the training screens. First of all, to purchase training. Visit our online shop at phantomfactory.com and select how many seats to buy for each desired e-learning course. At the checkout, you can pay simply by using a credit card. Alternatively, contact us to arrange a purchase order, and don't forget that our training is also available from your friendly SkySpark reseller. Immediately, you'll receive an email containing your digital course access, each in the form of a secure code. This makes it incredibly easy to distribute course access to your colleagues, or even to your SkySpark clients. Next, you'll need your very own learning profile on our training website platform. To do this, blast off to mars.phantomfactory.com and create an account. It only requires a simple email validation, like so. And we're in. Welcome to the Alpha Colony on Mars. You may personalize your e-learning profile options, and you can find your way around the base with our interactive tutorial. Now that you're ready to start training, we can redeem our e-learning access code here. Confirm that this is indeed the course you were expecting, and then, well, start learning. Work your way through each training screen, completing consolidatory exercises. Watch our tutorial videos, and test your understanding with our checkpoint quizzes. Log in and log out at times to suit you, with all your progress tracked and available to resume where you left off. So, you can see that in just a minute or two, we've purchased our access and we've started training. Phantom Factory, where learning is understanding.